going to practice the Japanese art of paper folding called origami. And all it requires is a square paper, and one that's thin and crisp works best. And if you're a younger student, you can ask for help with this lesson, or at the end of the video I show a way that you can make a paper heart in a different way that's a little simpler. So you can watch the video and decide what you want to do. I also find it helpful if you need more time after each step to just go ahead and pause the video. Maybe watch it once through first and then pause it when you need to the second time. Origami originated in China and Japan, and people don't know the exact history, but they all agree on that much. And people would make origami models and give them to others as signs of good luck. So they were used as symbols for good luck. And they originally were part of ceremonious rituals and then later became more of a leisurely activity and art form. Some people prefer to fold on a flat surface like a desk, which I'm going to do in my video. But a lot of people, especially in Japan, make folds in the air. So you might practice and see what works for you. We're going to start with a simple heart this week, and then next week we'll take on a more complex design which uses more than one piece of paper. So make sure you save some paper for the next lesson. You'll need 2 pieces, but it's always nice to have a couple extra so you can make more. Paper crane's one of the most famous origami designs, but as you'll see, there's so many things you can make with just a piece of square paper. Let's get started. Okay, the first step to our origami heart. You want to make sure the white side is facing up so that the colors will show on your heart. And you just need your square of paper, and we're going to start by folding it diagonally, matching each corner. So we'll start with one corner like this. Then we're going to unfold it and do it on the other side so that we end up with a letter X in the middle. You want to try to match it up as best as you can. So when I unfold it, I see the letter X. But now I'm going to shift my paper so it's almost like a T. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take the top corner up here and we're going to fold it right to the middle. And again, pause the video if you need more time for each fold. Now we're going to take the bottom corner, but we're not going to go to the middle. We're going to bring it all the way to the top middle. Best we can, match it up, and then press and fold down. So we have a shape that looks like that now. So watch carefully. Now I'm going to take one side, and this edge here, I want to match that to the middle. So again, I'm taking one side and I'm bringing it to match to the middle. And when I think I got it, I can go ahead and press that down. So you can always go back and watch that again, but let me show you because we're going to do it on this side too. So we're lifting and we're matching the edge right to the middle. I already see a heart forming here. So if you unfold it, we started from there. And lift that edge to the middle, like that. Now we're going to flip our heart over, and we're going to take these points here at the top, and we're going to fold them to that flat edge there, like that. And that's going to help shape the heart. So these sides, we want to do the same thing. We're going to take the side corners and kind of just fold them over till we get to the edge there, like this. And that's it. We flip it over and we have our awesome origami heart. I want to share another way you can make a heart out of any kind of paper, so it doesn't have to be square. But what you do is you fold your paper in half. So there is a little folding to this part too. So it's really important because we're going to start drawing from the side, but it's important that you make sure you're drawing from the folded edge. So you have to figure out which side is open. This is the side that's open, so I don't want to draw from that side. I want to draw from the folded edge. So make sure when you start your heart, it's from the folded edge. So I'm going to draw half of a heart, not the full heart, but just the half. So what shape would that be? Usually a half of a heart is some kind of shape like this. So it kind of loops up and then straight down. And if you have scissors, what you can do is once you have that line, if you cut right on your line with the paper still folded, put on my heart line. Now when I unfold it, I have a heart and it's symmetrical. That means it's the same on both sides. Maybe you make art with your hearts. Some people string them together and hang them up. You might write messages, positive messages, and give them to people. The possibilities are endless of what you can do with your origami. See you next time, artists.